Before we move on with the actual program, I would like to introduce you to Jean-Baptiste Barreau-Delmer, an expert with regard to wooden ships. And then we will quickly visit Paris. There we will hold a nautical review featuring a look at many marvelous watercraft. Finally, there will be a sailing trip on board the MAIA, a 100-foot-long Greek sailing yacht.
'Cause we'll be just fine.
Last summer, when we went sailing in the sea off the coast of Porto Cervo, Sardinia, we had a surprise meeting with the MAIA. I wanted to share this pleasure with the loyal people of Acohiu.
'Cause we'll be just fine. If we take our time. Let the sun shine. 'Cause we'll be just fine.
The MAIA is a 100-foot-long gaff-rigged schooner built in 1956 by Baron Guy de Rothschild at the Ferrous shipyard in Greece. The ship was recently restored at the Givenchy shipyard in Italy.
And it feels so good. Yes, we're going through some stormy weather. Bless the fact we still move together. 'Cause I know we'll find.
The schooner is equipped with the original gaff sails, main sails, gaff top sails, strong sails, as well as 4 head sails. There is more than plenty to keep the crew busy. The main mast and the jigger are 79 and 82 feet tall and are made of Colombian pine, just like the booms, the gaffs, and the bowsprit.
Let the sun shine, let the sun shine, let the sun shine.
With furniture made of teak wood, the design is classical and luxurious.
Let the sun shine, let the sun shine, let the sun shine, let the sun shine.
This gaff-rigged schooner is equipped with a 360 horsepower Volvo engine, which allows the ship to reach a cruising speed of 8.5 knots.
'Cause we'll be just fine. If we take our time. Let the sun shine.
The hull is of solid construction. The frames and planking are made of pine. The classic design of MAIA is that of a Mediterranean cargo ship. It features a long, straight keel and an elliptical transom.
Let the sun shine. 'Cause we'll be just fine.
I now say goodbye with these beautiful vacation pictures, and am hoping you will be back again on another sailing tour aboard MAIA.